Actually really excited, but also nervous at the same time. But I'm very happy to be here, bro.
How about yung issue na, syempre di ba iwasan na, you're the son of Papa P.
Yeah.
Pagkatapos, compare ka.
Opo.
Parang you will be the shadow of your dad.
I'm kind of using that as a motivation point instead of letting it push me down. I want to be able to work hard and be able to show my own stuff and kind of show people that I can be something as well.
Hindi, Ruel, maraming beses siyang umarap sa press, hindi ka lang siguro invited. Ang dami ng press ko ng Sun Life, ano? Thank you, Sun Life, BNY Jeans, and Bella Ibarra. Ayun. Next time sa Sun Life, invite ka ulit. Di ba, Inigo? Okay, next question. More question. Okay. Ayan si Mami Jo. Mami Jo Bonsol has a question.
Hi, good evening. Congratulations. Maybe I'd like to ask all the cast. How are you proud of this film? What makes you proud of this film, siguro? And anong exciting for you about this film? Erica first.
Okay. How proud are you of this movie?
I guess I'm very proud to be working with, Inigo, Sophia, and Julian. We're very excited kasi first timers lahat kami. And on set, I don't know, I was very nervous at first, pero it became very fun and light. So, hopefully it turns out well, right?
The whole experience of working with your co-actors and direct,
Yes.
that makes what makes you proud. Okay, Julian, what makes you proud and how proud?
Very proud, bro, because I got to work with these amazing actors and actors and actresses.
Yeah. Okay, Sophia.
Very proud po ako dahil binigyan po ako ng chance nila na para ipakita kung ano po yung kaya mong gawin here in showbiz industry. And I'm very proud po dahil pinagkatiwalaan po nila ako to do this role. Ito po kasi talaga yung dream ko eh. And I'm very happy na ito yung first movie ko with them.
Okay.
And yung story, I really like it. Yun, so we're excited po ako kung marami ba talaga manonood sa amin. Ayun.
Okay. Thanks, Sophia. Inigo.
I'm very proud of this film. I said I was able to, like what they said, I was able to work with all of them. And the thing that I loved the most about this whole experience was that I was able to learn a lot since we're all newcomers. We all kind of learned together, and we were all able to bond because since we're all almost the same age naman, so we all understood what we were going through.
Galing naman sa maganda yung Inigo. Nagkakaintindihan kami ng cast na yan kasi mga kaedad kami. Charos lang, charos. Okay na, Mami? Okay na? You have another question? Go ahead.
To direct, kasi I read the press release, it took at least a year to do the film. Could you tell us the story, why it took that long?
Nag-start yung shooting po namin bago pa, kasi yung location namin sa Samar. So, Samar Leyte. Bago pa sila ihit ng Yolanda, nag-shoot na kami. So, yun, inayos namin ng todo yung film kaysa yung mas minadali. Minake sure namin na okay yung pelikula, hindi siya ni-rush. So, kaya po umabot ng 1 year bago siya ipalabas.
Okay, bago ko ibig. Siguro Direk Irene, kasi medyo si Direk Antoinette nakasama na namin ilang beses. Could you tell something about how you started, how as a director, as a filmmaker, paano ka nagsimula sa paggawa ng pelikula?
Nag-start po ako kay Direk Joyce bilang assistant director niya kasi ako. So, nung nagpapapitch ang Spring Films ng concept, isa ako sa magbigay ng concept. Tapos, nag-pitch kami ni Tonet for this dahil may nabasa. Naglalaro kami dun sa mga previews ng mga nasulat namin na maliliit na konsepto. Tapos, nung nagkaroon ng opportunity to pitch, yun, binigay namin, tapos nagustuhan naman nila.
So sinulat mo na yung script and then sinabi sa'yo, ikaw na rin ang magdidirect kayong
Yes,
dalawa.
kami po nito natin magsulat.
Oh. Okay. Thank you. Siguro ibigay ko na yung microphone. Tita Ethel, you wanna ask? May tanong ka na Tita Ethel or Mr. Taliman? You have something to ask? Okay. Here's a question from Mr. Pablo Taliman.
Hi, good evening. I'm curious how 16-year-old. My question is, as a member of this very young generation, what do you enjoy as member of this young generation, and do you really enjoy at this age? What do you enjoy and what you don't enjoy?
We enjoy music, being young, that there's more space, there's more room to grow, there's more time to be able to master more crafts and be able to kind of experiment on what else we can do in life.
Inuman po kami nagmamadali. Relax.
And our generation now is different. In a good way.
Ikaw, Direk, how would you describe this generation and how did you find working with them? Is it so easy to work with very young people?
At first, kasi yung Relax po, parang ito po yung parang first na big movie namin ni Irene. Kasi parang for the longest time, ako script ko, tapos siya AD. So parang, tapos lahat kami bago. So parang, lahat kami kinakabahan sa first day. So yung first shooting day namin, ang nakatrabaho namin si Inigo at si Erica. Pero nung nag-start na, parang kahit na first time nila umarte, makikita mo na nandun yung acting instinct nila. Parang si Inigo, parang makikita mo na meron talaga siyang actor's instinct na nakuha niya sa tatay niya. So hindi namin inaakala na parang madali namin siya i-direct.
Like first scene ko, 6 takes.
Pero hindi kayong parang nangangapa ng bonggang-bongga. Medyo lang.
Direk, sa karanasan mo sa film na to, what is the best way to get the best out of this very young and basically inexperienced actors?
I think speak their language. Parang research on what they like to do, and parang kailangan mag-reach out ka sa kanila kasi meron silang sariling mundo, so kailangan mag-a-adapt po kami dun sa mundo yun.
Direk, sa what do you think is very unique about this very young generation? How are they different from nalalayo ka ba iterm dito sa mga actors mo? Or what would you say is unique about their generation?
Yung generation nila, may sarili silang mundo na sila lang yung nakakaintindi. May sarili kaming mundo na sinabi sarili. Ay, hindi ko no.
Selfie generation sila eh. Tsaka sila yung nagbigay sila talaga yung movie, sila yung relax, is just pag-ibig kasi sila yung relax, kami yung hindi. Kasi ang pagmatanda na parang baliw-baliw. So baliw-baliw yung script, tapos sila, mas binaliw nila. Sa yung generation nila,
So in short po, baliw talaga yung generation mo.
makulit.
Natanong ko na niya si Crazy eh.
Tapos na ba?
Interview ko siya. Ay, hindi kasi ako. Nagtanong kasi ako. Yung
Sa cast, ano na-enjoy nyo doing this film?
Yung in-enjoy po namin, yung during nag-shoot kami, dahil doon na po yung bonding namin together. Yun talaga eh. Tapos pag nag-date na kami, wala nang ilangan, hindi na po awkward. Mas nakatulong yun sa amin. Yun. Yun naman sa talaga yung pagkakaroon.
Yeah, and mas naging close po kami pag off-screen. Kasi si Nico po sobrang kulit, tapos si Sofia rin po, sila po dalawa. So nadadala po kakulitan nila. Kakulitan nilang tatlo. Kaya hindi po kulit. Ano po, for me, what I enjoyed the most was that I was able to work with them kasi age ko po na pag sa standby area parang nagpa-party lang kami sa tent. Pagdala namin yung speakers, we just play music and jam. And yun po, it's just sobrang chill na fun environment pag nandun sa set.
Yeah, last question. How different are you from your parents? And what would you say, ano ang nakikita niyo sa parents niyo na sa palagay niyo kailangan ma-observe niyo as a young working people?
Okay, the question is for Julian lang and being Inigo kasi anak sila ng mga sikat mga kaibigan natin Julian, ano daw yung gusto ma-absorb as far as the craft ng dad mo as an actor is concerned? Tama ba, Mr. Kaliman? Or how different are you as far as pathing sa showbiz as an actor?
From right now, hindi ko po alam kasi it's my first movie pa lang po. So, siguro po next time, hindi naman next time. Para sa susunod na lang po, titingnan na lang po natin.
Kasi si dad mo comedy action, di ba? So ayaw mo muna ng ganang pathing.
We'll see po.
Oh, we'll see. Inigo.
Ako naman po, I feel like right now, sabi ni Julian, hindi pa kami sure kasi we're still experimenting on what we're good at and we're still trying out new things. Pero I think I'm more on the music side and my papa's more on the acting side. But I also enjoy acting.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Kaliman, thank you. Ayan, Tita Ethel na has a go ahead, Tita Ethel.
Gusto ko lang tanong sa apat na bata, na artista, kung na-in-love na kayo.
Yes.
I think I'm the eldest among us four. Na-in-love na po ako dati.
Ilang taon ka na?
I'm 21.
Sige. Kumusta naman yung relax ka lang ba o stiff ka?
Relax naman po. Just got out of a breakup, but I'm doing fine.
How old were you when you fell in love?
I was 19.
How about the boy?
It was a 3-year relationship po. Ex-PBB housemate, James Reid.
So I guess hindi ka naging relax kaya ka nakipag-break.
Relax naman po. It was civil in a way. I'm very happy for him and where he is right now. So.
Si Sofia.
Kamusta po kami, Ethel?
Na-in-love ka na?
Meron ng boyfriend.
Hindi po in love. Siguro puppy love lang. Kasi relax lang po ako. Hindi ako na-in po. Hindi ko pa siguro nararamdaman yung true love. Kasi masyado pong maaga. I'm only 16 years old.
I know.
Diba po? Tama po ba?
Si Julian, dahil mga playboy ang family niya.
Yes. Opo.
Ilang beses na?
Once.
Once lang. Ngayon hindi, wala ka ngayong girlfriend.
Wala po.
Bakit ka nakipag-break?
Because, we're still young and marami pa tayong pinapagdaan.
Okay.
Pagdadaanan po. Okay.
Sige, si Inigo.
Ako po, I don't think na naranasan ko na po yung true love. Since bata pa naman po kami, it shouldn't be something that we should focus on right now at this time of our lives. Sa tingin ko, yun nga po, kailangan namin mag-relax kasi it has its right timing naman po. It's gonna come sometime. Right timing, yeah.
Si Sophia is 16, 21 si Erica, Julian is 18, and Inigo is 17. Magkakatikit.
Inigo, akala ko this will be your first and last movie. How come you're in an upcoming movie? At pinayagan ka ng papa mo?
It wasn't, ano po, parang it came out of nowhere type of thing po kasi I'm doing homeschool and parang I had time to do something po, and of course it's to plan for the future po. Yun po.
Pero ikaw wala kang school ngayon, wala kang class.
Ano po, nag-online school po. Yun po, education is still important to me. I'm still gonna finish it po.
Ikaw, Julian, di ba, film saan kinukuha mo sa Lasal?
I don't know to listen po.
Hindi daw, saan ka?
So, I study in OB, Montessori. It's my last year na there, and then I'm off to college.
High school ka pala?
Opo.
Ito sandali si Junardo for his question.
Kay Julia at kay Inigo. Ano naman ang payo ng mga tatay ninyo pagdating sa pag-ibig, pagdating sa babae?
My dad, he just tells me to, you know, don't take it seriously at this time because we're still young. Pero sabi niya na it's okay to have crushes, you know, like magustuhan mo isang person, pero you shouldn't take it seriously because you're still young.
Okay, Julia.
Yung dad ko po, nalaman niya po yung breakup ko.
Okay, kanino ba yun?
With my...
Non-shopping?
With my last...
Sino ba yun?
Tapos sabi po...
Sinisingit na. Sino ba yun? Julian, ano ba? Be honest. Gusto mo yun?
Hindi, tapos sabi po niya... Sabi po niya, bata ka pa anak, marami ka pang dadaanan, tsaka marami pa iba dyan.
Okay. Sino ba yun, Julia?
Na mas,
Can you share the girl? Julia ba yung pangalan?
Basta po, sabi niya marami po.
Tinanong ko lang si Sophia. Sophia, isa ka raw sa mga baguhan na talagang marami nagkakagusto sa'yo, nagkakakrush. Sa mga, sabi mo. Oo, so sa listahan daw ng mga baguhang artista ng Star Magic, isa ka sa mga maraming humahanga nagkakagusto sa'yo. Ano feeling mo doon?
Masaya po dahil may nakaka-appreciate po sa akin. And na-surprise din po ako na marami. Ayun po.
Ayun. So, nung yung eksena nyo ni Inigo, paano yun? Bigyan mo kami ng background kung paano nyo in-execute yun.
Alin po doon?
Ilan ba yung ganun nyo?
Po?
Maraming smakan nyo, maraming Inigo.
Marami pong take yun eh.
Gano'n?
Walo po yan.
Okay, anong nangyari? Ano naramdaman mo?
Nung una talagang awkward kasi yung pang second day natin na
Sige.
Hindi po komportable sa kanya rin.
Grabe ka. Yan
Kasi po,
bakit?
Kasi po first kiss po yun. And parang ang big, hindi naman big deal. Ano yun? After po nun, hindi kami masyadong nagkausap. Kasi, pero okay naman po direct, diba, yung take. Okay naman. Nagawa ko naman po.
Ilan? Yun. Hindi ka naman. Nag-hesitate ka ba nung nagawin yun?
Opo. And then may scene pa nga po na nadapa ako sa sandbag. Kasi nga, na ang face ko sa kanya, so nabigla.
Ah, gano'n. Ayaw mo ba?
Tinawanan nila ako.
Ah, gano'n. Grabe naman si Inigo.
Sinadyanin mo doon.
Baka sinadya mo naman yun.
Hindi naman.
How do you feel about? Anong sasabi mo naman Inigo? Hesitant pala siyang halikan ka?
I understand naman po, since we barely knew each other naman po at that time. So it was funny actually. I mean, not to be.
First, yes.
Nung nadapa siya sa sandbar, nakakatawa lang po yung part niya.
Sinadya mo halikan talaga?
Hindi ba?
Ay, hindi naman. First kiss mo naman siya sa on-screen, Sofia.
Opo, lahat. First lahat sa
Grabe Ikaw naman, first mo ba siya? Inigo? First
kiss?
No.
No, I do theater, so meron po mga stage kisses na yun.
So ano ang kakaiba sa halik ni Sofia? No, relax. It's just a kiss. Kaso dyan, it's just a kiss.
Ano po ang kakaiba sa kiss ni Sofia?
Kakaiba.
Ano ba? May kasamang sampal.
Okay.
Yes, after the kiss, she slaps me.
Ayun lang.
Yeah.
Grabe Just a kiss, ano? Okay. Si ano naman, Si Erica. So Erica, pagdating ba pag may bagong pag-ibig na dumating, relax ka na ngayon?
Right now, focusing on myself po. I'm back in school. So, after the movie, yun nga, I wanna go back to school.
Okay.
And then,
Yun lang.
not open to dating for now.
Kung ma-in-love kayo uli ngayon, how would you feel? Will it be relaxing? Ano pa ba? Ano magiging feeling nyo ngayon pag na-in-love kayo? Relax? Ano pa ba? Tense? Harass? Ayun, mamili kayo sa tatlong yun. Relax, tense, harass. Magkakaiba naman yun, di ba? Okay.
Love is an amazing feeling. When you fall in love, you just know. But I love, but right now, I want to focus on myself, want to focus on my studies.
Si Julia.
Hi again.
Hello there.
Love?
Next time around.
Hindi, nararamdaman mo na naman yan. Yung love siya. Bigla ko nang nararamdaman.
Lahat ng emotions.
Yeah. Pag makikita mo naman sa brain.
Okay. Inigo?
Love? Tingin ko po ang love, it possesses different types of emotions.
Yes, we know that.
So, hindi naman po palaging relax yun siguro.
Okay. Actually, meron din stress, meron din harass, diba? Si Sofia.
Ano po? Mixed emotions.
Mixed emotions. Magka-boyfriend ka na ba?
No.
Gusto mo si Inigo? Gusto mo siya maging boyfriend? Diretsahan na. Diretsahan na.
Sila naman?
Yeah.
May pang-title na, mga bakla. Yeah. How about you, Inigo?
It's gonna come when it comes.
It's coming. Ano, sumagot ka? Ano?
Ano ba yung question?
Type mo ba siya? Type ka raw niya. Ikaw, is the feeling mutual?
We're talking, I mean, Feeling is mutual.
Oh, relax muna, relax ka.
Relax.
Relax muna.
It's just relaxing.
Okay, thank you and good luck.
Thanks, JM. Mukhang napasubo si Sophia dun sa nasagot niya ngayon. Tingnan mo, natahimik na. Pati si Inigo. Okay. Thanks, JM, for those beautiful questions.